In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tickets from Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's start by navigating to your target view. Begin by logging into your Zendesk dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and click on the Views option. This section displays your standard queue lists. Here, you want to browse through the various categories available. You may see options like Solved Tickets, Pending Tickets, or others. Click on the specific category that contains the tickets you need to analyze. This is crucial because you want to make sure you're working with the right data. Once you've chosen the appropriate view, the next step is to apply relevant filter settings. This is all about dataset trimming. Make sure that your selected view is using the correct filters. By applying the right filtering logic, you can extract only the timeline segments or tag parameters you genuinely need at this moment. Doing this helps keep your exported spreadsheet clean and easily readable, which is really important for any analysis or reporting you might need to do later. Now that your view is set up and filtered, let's move on to the actual export process. Look at the top header panel of your Open List view. There you'll find the Actions button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Export as CSV. This command tells Zendesk that you want to generate a CSV file based on the tickets in your current view. After you've initiated the export, you'll need to wait for the email delivery. This is an asynchronous task, meaning Zendesk will process your request in the background. Depending on how large your ticket log history is, it might take a few minutes. While you're waiting, you can do something else, but keep an eye on your email. You'll receive a notification link from Zendesk in your account profile's email inbox as soon as the export is ready. Once you receive the email, it's time to download and unzip the spreadsheet. Open the confirmation email you received and look for the attachment. Click on the link to download the packed folder. It will typically be a .zip file. To access the data inside, you'll need to use an archival extractor tool, which is readily available online if you don't have one already. Once you've extracted the .zip file, you'll find the .csv spreadsheet inside. Now all that's left is to open that CSV file. You can do this using popular spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Once you've opened it, you can sort, analyze, or manipulate the data however you see fit. This exported file is great for in-depth analysis, reporting, or even sharing with your team for collaborative discussion. And there you have it. That's how you export tickets from Zendesk step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like